Introducing Nova Arc, a smart overlay tool for Blender that gives you real-time distance measurements and recommended segment counts directly in the viewport. You'll find the add-on in the side panel under the Nova Arc tab. Here, you can toggle the overlay system globally, turning all calculations and drawings on or off. To use the overlay, simply select two vertices. The add-on calculates the distance and shows a recommended segment count for that span. You can also select edges. Nova Arc will automatically find the largest distance between the points involved. Enabling the 3D line draws a spatial guide right inside the scene. You can also display the distance value itself, useful for exact measurements. There are 3 modes in total. The max mode shows only the ideal number of segments for the given diameter. In QA mode, you see how many edges you've selected and what the recommended range is. The color indicator tells you whether the value fits into the recommendations or not. Min-max mode shows the full recommended range from acceptable to optimal. Here's a practical example. Starting from a high poly shape, I'll create a matching low poly based on the recommendations. First, I measure the diameter on the high poly. Then I create a cylinder or circle. I set the segment count according to what Nova suggests for this size. Now we check the new geometry and the add-on confirms it fits within the recommended range. Scaling the mesh updates the recommendation dynamically since the diameter has changed. According to the standard, data is updated every 0.2 seconds, which is the optimal value between performance and data update speed. You can change this value in the add-on settings. Let's look at customization options. You can change the font size and fine-tune the label position using X and Y offsets. The recommendation overlay stays locked in 3D space following your camera. You can change the color of the line tips, making it easier to match your scene or studio colors, and you can adjust their transparency for a more subtle overlay look. Control the line width to match your display preference or resolution. Arrowhead size is also adjustable as a percentage of the total length. You can give the center of the line a unique color for better focus. You can customize every part of the line overlay from tip color to center transparency. Made a mistake? Just hit Restore Display Defaults to reset everything. Let's move on to diameter-based recommendation rules. Units are flexible millimeters, centimeters, meters, or inches. All recommendations update automatically. You can remove any rule you no longer need with one click, and can create custom rules for segment counts based on diameter. Just enter the distance of the diameter, the minimum and maximum number of segments for rounding. Use the arrows to reorder rules manually. Sort your rules automatically by size largest to smallest. And you can reset to the default recommendation set anytime. Edit any rule directly adjusting its diameter range or recommended segment values. If you work in multiple pipelines or studios, use presets. Start from the default or switch between your own. Add a new one, enter the name of your preset, and click OK. A new preset will be created. Now, you can add your own values to the recommendation table. Then hit Update to overwrite the preset with your latest settings. Switching presets instantly reloads rules and units. You can export presets to share or back them up. Need to clean up? You can delete any custom preset at any time, or import them from other users or projects. Level up your modeling workflow with Nova Arc. Thank you for watching.